أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Today, Alhamdulillah, we are starting rules of Tajweed. Its first throttle letters. There are 6 throttle letters. These letters are pronounced from 3 levels of throat. Okay, first is bottom of the throat, and second is middle of the throat, and third top of the throat. Hamza ha. Next one ain ha. Next one ghain kha. Okay, and these letters in picture also, you focus on picture first. Okay, look on the picture. Okay,
I'm looking at the
yeah,
picture.
yeah. First is bottom of the throat. How many letters? Which letters?
So all the bottom,
Near,
I see Hamza.
yeah, Hamza, and near from your chest, nearest to chest, Hamza, ha, bold. Okay, Hamza, ha, bold letters. Okay, its total letters is 6. Close your eyes, brother. How many total letters in Tajweed? 6. How many? 3, 6. What? Hamza ha, ain ha, ghain kha. Okay. Today, first is Hamza ha. Okay. It's nearest to chest. Okay. Throat and place near to chest, and Hamza ha. Okay. Bottom of the throat. And after that, okay, first you can practice, please. Do practice 1, 2, 3 times.
Hamza. Which one is next to Hamza?
Hamza ha. It's ha. 2 eyes ha. I was teach you. Different styles.
Yeah, but I don't.
Ha. Ha.
I don't. I'm sorry because I don't, everything I understand. The rest I understand. The rest I know.
Only focus.
Ain.
No, brother.
Ain ha. It's everything is.
Brother, completed alphabets and last. What happened, brother?
I don't know. I'm here. I hear over there noise. Gum 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 gum.
Oh,
Sorry. I don't know.
I think you can't hear me before 1 minute.
Yeah, I couldn't hear you for 1 minute.
Now, okay.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
brothers, I am teaching you this. I was teach you alphabets complete. Okay, today's our lesson in alphabet was ya, and before that, Hamza, Amir Hamza, brother, and before that ha. Was I was informed you ha in 2 different styles using one style in 2 eyes and one style single circle. Okay, that was circle, and in this one Hamza and ha is in 2 eyes ha. This one today's ha.
No.
Hamza ha, bottom of the throat letter, Hamza and ha. What is this?
Hamza and ha, but
Look,
no, brother, I'm sorry.
Look on the lesson. Look,
No.
Don't look on picture. Only look on the inside of picture. Inside of picture, what thing? What is letters? From the beginning, throttle letters. There are the 6 throttle letters. These letters are pronounced from 3 levels of the throat. Okay, first is bottom of the throat. What is this in black color letters? You can read, please. Hamza and ha. Hamza and ha. Okay.
Okay, so this is the one I just understood.
I think you confused. I think you.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Oh no, don't confuse, brother. Why? Why I am with you, inshallah.
I
Yeah.
sent you this one. I just wanted to understand.
One second. You can open last time picture I was sent you. Yesterday's picture, alif ba ta za, alphabet of Arabic. Yesterday's
Yeah,
picture open.
I have that picture.
In that, look in that picture, ha in circle style. Okay, right?
Yes,
But
I'm looking at it.
but before some weeks, I was send you picture. In that picture, ha is in two eyes style. Hamza waw ha. Okay, ha in two eyes style. Okay, two eyes style. Ha. Open that, please.
I
Now.
don't have that. I'm sorry. I cannot find it.
Yeah. Now today's PDF. Can you open today's
Yes,
PDF?
today's PDF.
PDF
Yes,
in
yes.
today's PDF, ha is also in two eyes ha.
Now I understand.
Okay, this ha also ha in circle style ha. That's also ha. Okay, but
now I understand, brother.
yeah, it's hamza ha. Okay, bottom of the throat. How many letters?
6.
I'm looking the PDF.
Yes, I'm looking at PDF. We have
Yeah,
ha,
yeah, it's ha, hamza,
Hamza,
ha.
Hamza, ha.
Pronouncing required.
Then,
Now.
pronouncing required?
Exercise, practice required, please.
Yes. Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
Okay, then we have, all right, so we have Ain. We have Ain, and now we have Ha. Ain, Ha, and then
Don't touch the next two letters. First, you practice on first two letters. It's for easy. It's for easy.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Oh, very good. Inshallah. All right.
Hamza ha.
Hamza, ha.
Explain for me these total letters from the beginning.
So
with picture.
Oh, okay. So the bottom. You want me to explain only these two, or all 6, or only 2? So I'll explain only Hamza ha, right? So it's nearest to the chest, all the way on the bottom of the throat. Is ha, Hamza ha, and the ha, Hamza ha comes more from the deep.
Yeah, bold letter. Okay,
Deep
Hamza ha,
bold.
like in this style. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, from the near your chest. Yeah, next one, middle of the throat. Ain ha, ain ha, ain ha. Okay,
Ain
ha. Practice required.
Ain
Also
ha.
Ain ha. Oh no, ha.
No, yeah, ha.
Nice.
Ha.
Now good, mashallah. Ha. Ain ha. Okay, it's your also homework, practice homework. Okay, next one, top of the throat. That's easy. Ghain kha, ghain kha, ghain kha.
Oh,
Okay,
yes.
yeah, it's your homework also. Okay, I will send you this video
Inshallah.
in your WhatsApp, inshallah. Okay, video link I will send you, but you exercise required. Okay, this one.
Inshallah.
It's inshallah easy for you. I think you have any question about this total letters?
No, I'm looking at the PDF. I'm focused a lot in
Yeah, inshallah. It's focus on the your picture, this picture, PDF total picture. Okay, total.
Yes.
Yeah,
That's what I'm looking at.
yeah, it's practically alhamdulillah very good style. Yeah, this one. Allahu Akbar. Hamza ha, ain ha, ghain qa. Total letters 3. This one. Okay. Today's lesson total letters. You don't forget it. It's your homework. Practice with this video sometimes. Free time. Okay. Yeah. Please.